Welcome everybody to my very first unboxing video. Today we're going to be breaking into the DJI Air 2S. I got two fancy camera angles going on, and I got my drone right here. Let's hop on in. Alright, today we'll be taking a look at the DJI Air 2S. DJI dropped this drone in April of 2020, and it's impressed everybody with its 1-inch sensor, ability to shoot in 5.4K, as well as a 20 megapixel camera capable of shooting in RAW. That's a pretty huge step up from its predecessor, the Mavic Air 2. As you can see, there's tons of technical upgrades as well as a boost to the O3 transmission system, additional sensors, and MasterShot's flight mode. I often travel with my Phantom 4 Pro, and as much as I love it, it can be just a little too bulky at times. Also, here in April of 2022, this drone now comes with the updated RC Pro controller, which I'm very excited about. But more on that as we start to unbox here. Okay, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into unboxing. Right. We're gonna start with the most boring part first. We're gonna go with the accessories, just because we gotta get those out of the way. Okay, let's see what we got in here. So obviously on this side, we have a bunch of these low noise propellers that they have included. Oh, wow, a lot of propellers. Okay, looks like we have some extra joysticks for the controller. And then we have a USB-C cable. So we'll open this up right here. And this, I believe, should be our ND filters. Yes, it is. And we have a 4, 8, 16, and 32 ND filters in here. And if there's one complaint about the Air 2S, it's that it has a fixed aperture of 2.8. So it doesn't have a variable aperture like my Phantom. And since you can't adjust the aperture while you're in the air, it's very important to get used to using ND filters. Okay, so that's everything that we had in the accessories. Let's take a look at the rest, what we got here. All right, the fun stuff. This box out of the way. There we go. So everything comes in this really nice shoulder pack that DJI includes. So let's bust into it and then see what we got. Okay, so on top here, it looks like this is probably the battery charger for our drone batteries. And let's see what's in this box right here. Battery number 1 and cable, adapter. Here is our USB charger. So that is battery number 2. There are 3 batteries with this drone. I'm guessing the third one is already installed into the drone. Okay, so that covers our batteries and all of our charging accessories that come with the drone. Now let's jump into the really fun stuff. So first thing first, a big selling point for me with this drone was that the Air 2S now comes with a RC Pro controller. Originally, this controller was released with the Mavic 3 Pro. This controller has a 5.5-inch 1080p screen with an average brightness of 1000 nits. And you'll notice that the joysticks are now underneath here. You can take them out from here, screw them in on top, just for easier travel. Again, I plan on having this be my travel drone, so any way that it can be more compact, I am all in favor of that. All right, so we got the RC Pro controller, we have all of the batteries, the charging accessories. Let's take a look at the actual drone. There we go. Dang, it is very small. So as you can tell, it is very compact. It has a takeoff weight of 595 grams, which is a little over a pound, and a max flight speed of almost 43 miles an hour. It's also really, really good with battery time. It's supposed to have estimated 30 minutes per battery as well. So if you're getting this Fly More package, you have well over an hour worth of flight time with what's included here in the box. And there you go. This is everything that's included in the box. With the Fly More combo, you really have everything you need to get flying as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing. I'm sure I'll have some test flights with this drone coming very soon. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and give my channel a subscribe for all new videos coming out.